Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing all over the tech world, especially recently topping the charts on Hacker News. The incredible, almost unbelievable, trend of performance per dollar, getting faster and cheaper at an unprecedented rate. If you've ever bought a new gadget and wondered how something so powerful can be so affordable, then this video is for you. Think about it. Just a decade or two ago, a top-tier computer or a high-capacity hard drive would set you back thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars. Now, you can carry a supercomputer in your pocket for a fraction of that price. And storage costs are practically negligible. This isn't just a gradual improvement. It's an exponential acceleration that's reshaping industries and our daily lives. So, what exactly does performance per dollar mean? And why is it accelerating so rapidly? At its core, it's about getting more computational power, more storage, more bandwidth, or more efficiency for the same amount of money. It's the relentless march of technology making everything smarter, faster, and more accessible. While Moore's law, the observation that the number of transistors on a microchip doubles roughly every 2 years, is often cited. The discussion on Hacker News and by many experts suggests that while raw transistor density might be slowing down, the asterisk system-level performance per dollar continues to improve at an astonishing pace. It's not just about silicon anymore. It's about the entire ecosystem. There are several powerful engines driving this incredible trend. Firstly, relentless asterisk innovation in semiconductor manufacturing. Asterisk is key. Companies are constantly finding ways to shrink transistors, improve yields, and develop new chip architectures. Even if we're hitting physical limits, clever engineering like 3D stacking, heterogeneous computing, and specialized accelerators keep pushing the boundaries. We're getting more performance out of the same physical space and energy budget. Secondly, fierce competition. Asterisk plays a massive role. Whether it's AMD battling Intel, Nvidia squaring off against AMD in the GPU space, or countless companies vying for dominance in storage and memory. This intense rivalry forces manufacturers to innovate faster and drive down costs to capture market share. This competitive pressure directly translates to better deals for us, the consumers. Thirdly, economies of scale. Asterisk are in full effect. As global demand for technology skyrockets, driven by everything from smartphones and IoT devices to massive data centers, manufacturers can produce components in quantities previously unimaginable. This mass production dramatically reduces the cost per unit, allowing for lower prices even as complexity increases. Fourth, software optimization and cloud infrastructure. Asterisk are critical. Modern software is designed to leverage hardware more efficiently, and the proliferation of cloud computing means individuals and small businesses can access vast computational resources without owning expensive hardware. This as-a-service model democratizes high-performance computing, further enhancing the effective performance per dollar for users. So, what does this mean for you? For businesses? And for the future? For consumers, it means incredible accessibility to powerful tools, high-definition video editing, sophisticated gaming, AI-powered applications. These were once niche capabilities, but now they're standard features on everyday devices. For businesses, especially startups, the barrier to entry for building innovative products and services is significantly lowered. You don't need a multi-million-dollar data center to start an AI company anymore. This trend fuels entirely new industries and possibilities. Think about the rapid advancements in AI, virtual reality, autonomous vehicles, and personalized medicine. Many of these would be economically unfeasible without the continuously improving performance per of underlying computing power. It's not just about doing old things faster. It's about doing entirely new things that were once relegated to science fiction. The Hacker News discussion highlighted that this isn't just a simple linear improvement. It's a complex interplay of hardware, software, manufacturing processes, and market dynamics. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of efficiency. While there are legitimate concerns around sustainability, e-waste, and the societal impact of such rapid technological change, the core trend is undeniably a powerful force for progress. Looking ahead, this acceleration shows no signs of stopping. We're seeing new materials, quantum computing on the horizon, neuromorphic chips, and entirely new paradigms of computing emerging. The future promises even more astonishing leaps in performance per dollar, continuing to push the boundaries of what's possible. So, next time you pick up a new piece of tech, take a moment to appreciate the incredible engineering, competition, and innovation that went into making it so powerful, yet so affordable. This isn't just about faster gadgets. It's about a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology and how quickly humanity can solve complex problems. What are your thoughts on this unstoppable trend? Has it changed how you approach buying new tech? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.